Unoyalam ka National People's Party NPP but Myntri ka Sarkar Jinglah lapan pau ya Sngewkhia ha ka Pale halor ka Jinglah ban Pynïar jong ka WPP sha ka Thain Garo Hills region da ka baong ba ka parti ka lasar ha ka MP election national long seat kan sedon shisha ka Jinglah ban yo ladru ha Garo Hills ura kam sang mau laong ba ka long barbor ka Jinglah na ba ka WPP ka lasar ha ka MP election bala dep bat kane kan don beit ka Jinglah ha Garo Hills kumju bat ulaya thu ba ulayo sngo ba kato kanne kibru ki ba bha ki dang up ban Pynïar so sha ka WPP ha Garo Hills Henry ka shong ha ki nong yalam ka parti bakan poi bat ban Pynïar so ya kibru la ban ong ba nong yalam ka WPP ba adan embasaya moj ula ong ba parti kampat kirki ban lektor sha Garo Hills watla kila don kirurang ba badan burom na ketiga tain kila penpau ya gejingkwa ba ka parti kedai ban penyeng kertong na kambagre ha election siteng samoy.
VPP has made it clear that they are willing to extend base in Garo Hills also. You being a leader from the Garo Hills, what do you think are the chances?
I think B. It's a good move, be it a VPP or UDP, NPP or Congress. I think as a state party, we should have. I also feel like any political party should not have any boundary, any limitation. I also feel should have like the units in every nook and corner of the state, because after all, state party. I think it's fine, and I think people. Let the people also judge, right? So there may be people who wants to join BPP, there may be people who wants to join UDP, there may be people who are waiting to join any other party, right? So I think it's good. It's good because the negativity. Somebody might be thinking of like NPP is only the Garo party, BPP is only the from this reason, UDP of that reason, Congress of that reason, BJP is only Hindu party. Like we always think so. So I think just to clear all this once for all. So as a state party, I think it is fine. Like, I think I also feel like because any suspicion, any suspicion of party of different of that particular will be clear once for all. You look at the history. So in the HPU, former MLA, so Sangran Sangma contested from HPU. If I'm not wrong, so Prozen Di Sangma is contested from HPU long time back. So from the UDP, there are many MLAs has been produced. Like the busy moment, like I don't know, that was from Pasamanpara. The many, I think, travelers. We are good people. We don't choose. We don't have any mindset of any division in the boundary. So it is depend on the candidate. It is depend on the leaders how you reach out to the people. Look, earlier people says NPP is a Garo party, but look, it's acceptance. It is depend how you reach out to the people, how you present to the people. Look, NPP is a strong party, one a national party in the region, like in Arunachal, in the Manipur, in the Nagaland, in Meghalaya, right? So it is like this. So it is the leader and the party, how you reach out to the people, how you present, because it is not about talking something. It is about inspiring with the vision and the action, right?
So, but do you think the expansion of VPP will be a threat to the NPP?
Let's see. Let's wait for the time. So I think that's I also feel like we should. I all keep on saying we should not have any boundary. We should not be at a political, be it any officers, be it any works, any service. Like state is a state, right? So I think I don't. Yeah, there is always a challenge. There is always a challenge because definitely because the BPP has swept the last MP election. Yes, that momentum, that spirit will definitely have some impact on the girls too. So maybe I heard so there are many some good people waiting to join from girls, and I just got to know. So maybe there is, but that will tells how the leaders of the particular party, reach out and connect with the people.